OPPO has just unveiled the new OPPO Pad 3, this in its homeland China. So let me tell you the specifications and the price that this product has. For starters, you should know that this tablet brings support for connecting a keyboard and also to work in conjunction with a stylus, so it has very good capabilities. However, it is not as big a tablet as what other manufacturers are presenting, because in this case, we are talking about an 11.61-inch screen with 2.8K resolution, and like the vast majority of manufacturers, the screen is LCD, is something in which many manufacturers are disappointing a little bit with their recent tablets. It seems that Samsung is the only one that is being encouraged to launch many tablets with screens. AMOLED, but most are opting for LCD screens. The resolution of this screen is 2800 by 2000 pixels, and it has a rate of 144 Hz for its ultra-fluid movements. And I think this is a bit of an exaggeration, and it's again this trend that we see in many Chinese manufacturers to put an LCD screen with 144 Hz. I think most of them are going to go for a LCD screen with 144 Hz. 4 Hz. I think most of us would prefer an AMOLED screen with 120 or even 90 Hz, but AMOLED to give us more intense colors and contrast. This screen has a ratio of 7:5, a little unusual in the tablet section, and it also comes with a finish that gives it some texture so that when you are typing you have a more realistic feel. The processor is the MediaTek Dimensity 8350, which is built by TSMC in a process of 4 nanometers, so we can be sure it will be a good processor. It's accompanied by 12 gigabytes of RAM in its highest version and 512 gigabytes of storage UFS 3.1. By the way, the RAM is LPDDR5X. This tablet comes with Android 15 and Color OS 15. And with respect to their cameras, we will find in the back 8 megapixels as well as in the front. The rear design is very nice, looks very rounded for a comfortable grip, and integrates a battery of 9,500 and 10,000 ampere hours with support for SuperVOOC charging of 67 watts, comes with 6 speakers certified by Hi-Res Audio, and we will find a very small thickness of only 6.26 millimeters and weighs 533 grams. And 3 grams, the simplest version has 8 gigabytes of RAM with 128 gigabytes of storage, and its price announced for China has been 2,099 yuan. This is approximately $290, but remember that the prices here are not the same as over there, especially talking about OPPO that in Mexico sometimes doubles its prices. This tablet arrives available in violet, also silver, and finally dark blue. We still have not confirmed if this tablet will be distributed in the global market or only will be distributed within China.